Welcome back to the Urban Culture Kitchen, you guys. We got a special appetizer today. We're going to be doing some crab rangoon wontons. So then we're going to be getting into the ingredients. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to keep up with my weekly dishes. If you're not new, welcome back. See you in the ingredients. Get ready to go over this ingredients for the crab meat wontons and stuff like that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna, you can have lump crab if you want to. So we're gonna have about 4 ounces of, say claw meat. You can do claw meat or lump crab, either one, and stuff like that. And you can also too use imitation crab. If you do imitation crab, you can chop it up real finely to, say get the consistency that you need, just like real crab. Also don't forget your wontons. These are little mini wontons. You can get them from any store. You can get them at the local Asian or Chinese store. They all have them and stuff like that. And also too, you're gonna need 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1 beaten egg, a teaspoon of garlic, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 2 tablespoons of onion chives and stuff like that, chopped up. And that's it. And then let's get over to assemble the crab meat wonton. I'm gonna mix our ingredients up and put them in my KitchenAid. You can mix it up with a spoon and fork, but this is about faster, especially when you're dealing with cream cheese and everything like that. So let me get this. So I put the crab meat in first and stuff like that. Put your crab meat in. Next, the cream cheese. Now, this recipe that I'm actually doing, it's half of the regular ingredients. I will leave the description below. This one does about 10 wontons, but the original recipe does 20. So what I'm gonna do is I'll put that below. You can decide, how you want to divvy up to do it, however many you want. You can do more, you can do less. So I'm putting the W sauce, which is the Worcestershire sauce, and I would leave the green onions in last and actually, get it started. So we just started on low, so get it mixed around too. What I'm saying? Make sure you have it mixed around and stuff like that. And then after we're done, we're gonna add it in. All right, so now we're gonna add the green onions in, sprinkle them in. And we're gonna let it finish mixing up. And that's pretty much it. All right, so let's start assembling these crab wontons. What I do is, make a little assembly line. That's how you do it. That's how I do it. Make a little assembly line. Like I said, this amount that we made makes about probably a good 10 or more. So just put them all down, stuff like that. To put them down like cards. You can do it a few at a time, but this is quicker when you do it this way, stuff like that. So you can knock them out a little bit faster. So alrighty. So get a little spoon. If you have like little spoon, something like that. So you can put it down in the middle and stuff. And what you want to do first is, do an L shape, on your, wontons, like that, L shape, on the sides. So when you do the folding, you got it. Some people do it different ways. They can do it with flowers and stuff like that. But I'm gonna do it in a little triangular, style and stuff like that. If I get creative toward the end, so you might see. And put a little of it, in the center, I think 5. Put a little in the center like that, and all you have to do is, fold it over. Okay. Put it in your hand, slide them like that, and that's it. All to it. That's all to it. Now they have different ways you can do it. You can fold them like this if you want to. You can leave it like that. It just depends. So, for right now, we're just gonna leave it open. But like I said, there's several different ways of going about doing it. And, you know, that was one of the easiest ways to go about doing it and stuff like that. So, I'm gonna show you the next one. Like I said, you just do a little L shape, so, you know, all the way around, and add your mixture in. This is like this. So, I noticed that put them in a little ball, it goes a lot faster, so it's just cool. And fold it over. The egg is pretty good. Some people use water. I use the egg because it's less messy. Water kind of runs. So, you know, using these is pretty good. So, you know, you can just pick them up, you know, squeeze it together. And voila, that's how you do it. So that's number 2. All right, so let me finish up with these and then we'll get into frying them. Alright, so, you know, we just finished putting them together and everything like that. We're going to get over to frying them next. You know, we had more than we thought we would have, so it's pretty good. I mean, we got about 13 of them or something like that, 14 of them. So let's get to frying them up. They're real simple to make. You know, so this is great for a dinner party or, you know, say a New Year's party or whatever party you want to put together. These are good little dainty little items that you can put on your menu. Alright, so just place them in. It's your temperature. You're up to high. You know, you don't want to place too many in when you're frying them. Do them little by little. They don't take that long to fry. Stuff like that. So I'm just going to put about 4 in at a time. Because you don't want to like I said, once they start turning a little golden brown, that's when you start flipping them over and stuff like that. So they can get color on them and stuff. And then, like I said, once they're done, make sure you have either a rack or somewhere that you can drain them and stuff like that. Because they're gonna go very quickly. You know, see right here, they already, you know, they're turning very fast. Bubble on it. Alright, you guys, now you can plate it up and add some sweet chili sauce. You can find it at your local store, you know, or you can get some duck sauce. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. But yes, these look so yummy, you guys. Hey, stay tuned and don't forget to hit the notification bell to see you in my next videos.